What is one myth about fun time watching corn made you believe? Part 3. 1. My stepmom just doesn't seem that into me. 2. Fun time rarely lasts that long in real life and you rarely try that many positions during one session. 3. I always thought you started out with a 10-minute blowy before fun time. Gave one out to my first boyfriend and realized that's not gonna work if I wanna have fun time with him. 4. Shower fun time looks so fun. Then reality hits. One person is either cold or getting blasted in the face with water and trying not to slip. Just a heads up for you younger men out there. Shampoo, soap and conditioner burn if they get in your pee hole. 5. Honestly, it made me super insecure about my size, like, in an unhealthy way insecure. 6. That I had a small PP because I compared myself with those guys. Believe me brothers, you are damn fine. 7. Fun time can be used in exchange for goods and services. According to the local Walmart security officer, it cannot. 8. That service workers would suggest other